So we got the Cadillac ATS, the one I put the rear differential in, that came back because the shift cable got detached. I've had this happen with the GMC Envoys and other Chevy models, so I'm going to do the same repair I have done years ago, and it's a permanent fix. I'm not replacing this entire cable if I don't have to and save the customer money. So we're going to do this permanent fix here because it is a permanent fix. I can promise you, if done properly. I've never had them come back. So this is, I'm just going to show you what I do. Now I'm just looking at the cable here, and this is adjustable. I'd imagine there will probably be more of like a legitimate lock inside of here to keep it from rotating. But once it goes into its position, it's got plenty of threads to where it's not going to move or anything. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Just inspecting it further. Let's see if we can look down here. This cap here looks like it comes off. Uh-oh, I done broke it. Well, we don't need it anyway. So this cap comes off. And it's hollow, which is fine. Ignore that. I got jack stands under here. Where's my stuff that I'm gonna use? Now, what I do to fix this is I just take Honda valve cover bolts and I put them in there. I'm gonna drill it out, stick this in here, and go just like that. I can tighten this up. It'll be a 10mm fastener. It should properly fill this void up. I did some measurements on with the spacer here on this valve cover bolt, and that washer, that space, that void here is 3/8, about 3/8 is wide and 3/8 long. If you get a good Honda valve cover fastener, I think I got this off my Acura Integra, I want to say. So I do have a drill bit. This is 3/8. If I need to go a little wider, then I'll just kind of move it around a little bit. But I should be fine. I'm gonna try to leave it here and just drill straight through this. But I'm definitely gonna have to pull the lever off of the transmission, which is not a big deal. Like I want to say 15mm back there. So we're gonna pull. Let's see if we can pull that off here. I think it was that's a 15. Okay. So we're gonna go righty tighty, lefty loosey. Park. Gotta buy more gloves too. These things are freaking expensive now. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grind the back of this down. It should be pressed in, and I can just simply take a punch pin, knock it out. So then it will have a nice hole down in the center here. Way better. Battery died. Try to see if I can do this without having to go get a battery. Come on, do me a favor. Oh, wait, change batteries. Come on, just. There we go. Oh, that ain't cool. Oh. Let's see if it'll fit in there. Or, oh yeah, fits perfect. Now I do have like a little bit of space I need to fill here. What I could do, See those ears? I'm not sure if the camera picked that up. I could get those grind it down. Maybe I can just kind of cut a recess in here. I'm gonna keep turning this thing. If I get out of adjustment, I can just turn it back and properly adjust it. I got a couple options, but it needs to be facing this way. Now I could just leave it like this, because I'm gonna put Loctite on this nut anyway. And just get it in there. The Loctite will keep it still, but I'd rather be able to tighten it all the way up. I'll figure it out. What it will look like. You can see a small impression there once you get it, once you excavate some of that lip. So now what I'm gonna do, take a punch pin, press that out. This will come out, and then I'll have a perfect hold where I can put my bolt in there. All right, I got just a random 12.916 socket. Should just get it in here, hold it just like that, and knock it out. Right in the center. Just like that. Get a nice hole. So let me put this back. Now the side that we had ground down, that's going to go facing the transmission. The words are going to face outward. I'm going to put everything back. That went the wrong way. I'm gonna try something a little new. I got a washer here that's slightly bigger than 3/8. What I could do, take my I got a step bit, drill a step into here, and that should be able to open up the cavity, a cavity wide enough to where I can put this valve cover bolt in there, and it'll fill that void up. I'm gonna try that. I'm pretty sure that'll work. see if this is this. And that works out. Should be able to tighten this up pretty good to where I won't have to use any Loctite, and the cable will just rotate freely, assuming I did everything proper. Oh yeah. I probably should take that ear down. Now this will sit flush. I'm going to take those down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. So I don't have to use anything. I can tighten up as much as I need to. Moves freely. It ain't going nowhere. Look how free that moves. Let it compress. I'm gonna snug it just a little bit more. I'm not even gonna put no Loctite on that because I'm so confident in it. Ain't no play in it or anything. That is perfect. Let's see how it shifts. Ain't mad at all, man. That held pretty well. Shifter works great. No play in it. I mean, you could put a little bit of grease in there just to ensure that it lasts a little bit longer, because that's kind of like arthritis. You know, that bone on bone. There was like a little Teflon bushing in there. I could. But I think we'll be fine. I mean, it's not like it's going back and forth, or I don't think I got to worry about anything. The last ones I've done never worn out, you know, vibrator or anything. I just don't think it's going to get that hot. Damn, that's good. Cool. Well, if anything happened, I'll definitely keep you updated, but we should be good to go. But hit that link, subscribe to the channel, stay informed, had everything shows my work. See you on the next one.